Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how to disable ads on TikTok. Let's get started. Open TikTok app, go to your profile at the bottom right corner, click the three lines in the top right corner, and tap Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and tap Ads. Here you will see Mute Advertisers. Tap on it. After that, move the dots to the right side. Tap on Hide. You can hide other ads as well. You can go back now. Another one is targeted ads outside of TikTok. Move the dots to the right side. After that, targeted ads. Move the dots to the right side. The last one is disconnect advertisers. Type on it. Here, move the dots to the right side that you want to disconnect. That's all my friends. I hope this video is helpful for you. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.